Okay, this video is a recording of how to come in and set up a new website. So you're going to log in, of course, and then what you're going to do is go down to Sites, and then you have a choice. Would you like to create a funnel or a website? So a funnel, they're kind of pre-programmed. They have steps that you walk through. So this is, how you have your free offering, and then you have maybe something else here, and then they sign up, that sort of thing. And then you can also do an A/B test like they do in marketing to see which colors work better, yada, yada, yada. And websites are exactly what they say they are. They are websites that have a lot of pages, and so a little bit structured differently. But basically, in here, all you do is create a new page, give it a name, and then some unique path. It can be anything you want, but hopefully related. So I'll call test. Create new page. And it'll be at the bottom. And I got hundreds of pages for this site. So now what you can do is you can use an existing site and bring something in. If you like any of my websites, I can give you a page or even this whole site and you can just rejigger it. Or you can start from blank. And basically, it's a blank canvas and it's drag and drop. There's no coding. So the first thing we do is we need to get a section. So I drag a section over. Okay, now we got a section for the website. And the hierarchy here is section, then row, then element. And an element, they're down here. These are things that you can add like images or an order form even. Yeah, let's drag an order form up there. So I created a section, I created a row, and I dragged an element into that row. And then to preview it, you can hit the little eyeball up here, which will do a save, but it won't publish it yet. So it won't be available on the internet until you hit publish. And then we'll just give that a moment to save. This is a huge website, so it takes a little bit for it to save. Hopefully not too long. There we go. And here's our form. So we literally set up a web page. We put an order form in it, and we didn't really have to do hardly anything. It took 2 seconds. Let's see here. The panel over here is where you can do all your SEO or, kind of all the standard things that have to be on a website like title, description, keywords. Google likes to see who authored it, and it's good to have a name, first name, last name kind of thing. Your social image is what shows up when you go to share a page. So if you were to share this page on Facebook, there's no image. But I'm going to just pop an image in here. Okay, so now I got an image up here. Okay, and now if I go to share it, it's going to have this image. And we can update, and then we can decide if we want to publish, and then publish. So that's basically it. Um, these sections can be saved, and then you can use them over and over again. And if you update one, it'll update them all. So if you use a section for your pricing and you need to update your pricing, super simple. You just hit the save right here. Okay. And then section templates, they only can really be used, they can be used anywhere as a template. Yep. Global sections are only going to be available within like the website itself. Universal, those go across everything within your account. So I love universal sections, especially for headers and footers and product selection, because those tend to we need to update those frequently. So universal is really good. So if you want a universal, just give it a name, hit save. And then let's say I want to start a new page, or let's say I accidentally, oops, I just deleted that. How do I get it back? Well, we're going to go into plus, saved sections, universal, and there it is. Drop it back on the page. And we can go to other pages and put this right on the page too. So that is how to create a web page.